Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, okay, will be a continuation from the previous video, which is installing of the DSP, and today I'm going to try to tune it. Alright, so actually the DSP came, right? Okay, when I fix it, okay, my first reactions was, wow, it sounds much better than before. Okay, but actually, after seeing all the clips on the internet, right, this DSP can be tuned, okay, and it can be even better. Right, so for today's video, okay, we're going to show you how we tune it. Alright, so guys, for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe because we have a lot of all these videos coming up. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to try this. Alright, so guys, okay, as you know, I'm not a tuner, I'm not a car audio expert. You know, there's the top 3 in the world going for competitions, this and that. Okay, don't get it wrong. Okay, I'm just a DIY guy. Okay, who is buying things to add on to the car to make it better. Alright, so we're going to show you how we do it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so guys, okay, that was a very simple tuning, okay, of the DSP, and the sound came out brilliant. Right, I mean, it's not those super good, but it is really good enough for me. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, okay, as much as I do. Okay, if you like this, please remember to like and subscribe, right, and we'll see you on the next one. Right, so stay safe, stay healthy, happy morning of car. Bye!